What's up? What's up? What's up? I got the shit back out strong. What's up?
Hey guys, so tonight I'm going to see B2K. So I've decided to do a get ready with me video for you guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe below. Also give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. So the first thing I'm going to do is get started with my hair. Since it's the Millennium tour, I'm thinking about taking it back to the early 2000s, of course. And I'm going to do side ponytail with my curls, try to like fake it out, like not really put like a ponytail to the side, but my hair going on one side. At night, as I told you guys, I like to put my hair up in a pineapple. So this is still my 3-strand twist out that I did in my video last Friday. So my hair is still lasting. It's actually been a week since I did it. I did my hair last Wednesday and I put my video out last Friday. So yeah, today makes it a week. The curls last the longest when I do my 3-strand. But I did, like, over the course of the day, sometimes little areas get frizzy, so I just retwist like little sections when I go to bed that I feel like are too frizzy, and then I'll just take it down in the morning. So that's kind of how I refresh my 3-strands. Very excited about this concert. Y'all don't understand. I used to love B2K. Like, I was young back then, like 7, 8, 9, when they first came out. And I remember my sister, she took me to my first concert, and my first concert was B2K, the Screen Tour with Bow Wow, and I think Nick Cannon was there. Oh, it was popping back then. And I'm gonna record a little bit at the concert, kind of give y'all a little taste in case you guys are going, or if you have been, or if you can't make it, give y'all a little sneak peek of what's happening. And if you guys been to the concert, let me know how it was and what you thought about it. Oh, and when I do my twist, just to refreshen it, I don't comb it out or anything. I just take the section and I just retwist it. And I don't add product either. I don't add any more product into my hair at all. I'm gonna put all of my hair to like one side. Have this side ponytail going. Okay, so I'm gonna take my spray bottle and I'm gonna kind of like just spray the edges, not really spraying my curls because I don't want to mess up the curl pattern, just the edges of my hair. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more of my Camille Rose Curl Love. Sorry I didn't show y'all, but yeah. And I'm just gonna rub it on my edges. Y'all know y'all used to rock these side ponytails. Let me know if y'all used to rock those side ponytails. What about the side ponytails with the cramps? Y'all remember that? I used to wear cramps all the time. So yeah, I'm just taking my brush. And to take my Thank God I'm Natural Curl Balm. Oh, it's Thank God It's Natural, but I do thank God I'm natural. I do not like the pump on this bottle. Like, I literally have to take it and dump it in my hands. So yeah, my favorite B2K member was, I had to, okay? I could not pick between J-Bud or Little Fizz. So let me know who was y'all favorite. I remember when we went to go see You Got Served and we was in a movie theater. It was like these teenagers behind us and they would not shut up during the whole movie. Like, every time one of them came on stage, I was like, ooh, that's my man. Like, shut up. So I'm gonna take my bobby pins and I'm going to put pins in my hair. Wow. My scarf again, and I'm just going to tie my hair down. Right, let's get into my makeup. This whole bag, this is my makeup bag. This whole bag is full of makeup. Just want to show y'all this. Full of makeup. Full of makeup. My people think I have a problem. I'm gonna create a simple, everyday makeup look. And if you haven't already, I do have an everyday makeup glam look on my channel. I think that's the first video I did when I first started in January. So if you haven't checked that out, go check that out. Alright guys, makeup done. I'm gonna spray my face with some setting spray, but I'm gonna do that off camera because I don't have it right here with me. I'll be back. I am going to do my edges now. So I am going to introduce a new edge control. It is by Unique Edge Control and it has the strong hold, and this is what it looks like. So I received it about a week ago, and I have been testing it out for the last week so I can do a review for you guys and let you know what I think. It smells pretty good. It smells fruity. I can't really describe what fruit it smells like, but it definitely smells fruity. So this product is non-greasy. It feels good putting it on. Look at that chicken. Wow. Wow. And this is what it looks like on the inside, and as you can see, within the week I definitely been using this like every day. It definitely supplies that hold that I need, and it lasts all day. So I will check back in later so you guys can kind of see how my edges are looking. I told y'all I was gonna let y'all see my edges, and let y'all see it hasn't sweated out yet. So far so good, because her product said 24 hours, and I told y'all I was gonna check in, and it's still looking good. And I will leave the link below in my description section, so you guys can go check her out. Unique Edge Control, guys, go get it. Also, I wanted to show you guys when I refreshing my hair, I use some olive oil by ORS. I just spray it in my hand and I just rub it into my hair. At the end of this video, some clips from the concert tonight, maybe some little pics from my Snapchat and stuff. Don't forget to subscribe below. Make sure you hit that bell also, guys, so you can get alerted when I post. I'm trying to have videos for you guys every Friday, and maybe a few surprise videos sometimes during the week as well. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click that bell for notifications. And also, if you like this video, please thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. That was fun.
She likes Spectacular a lot.
Yes.
I don't know why, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm more of a Llyod. Llyod was looking good.
Llyod was
with
good.
the baby hair.
Yeah, so far Llyod and Pretty Ricky was really good. Chingy, I don't know. He old. He ain't even from St. Louis, no way. He's from the east side, okay? Who else performed? Bobby B. Oh yeah. See, he was forgettable. See what I mean? He was okay.
Surprisingly, he had a lot of hits though.
Yeah, he did have a lot of hits. Well, you know, with the he was really on features a lot more features than anything. Yeah, right now Omarion is performing, but we're like out here in the hall getting a drink.
Yeah, I'm parched.
Yeah.
I gotta get ready for B2K so I can scream. My throat a little dry.
Yeah, my eye irritated. Like, I don't know what's going on over here, but I'm tired. I'll be at work at 6 in the morning, but it's okay. We're gonna get up and we're gonna get there.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got on our early 2000s.
Got the champagne.
She got on her Chingy with
the pupas.
Hey.
I showed y'all what I had on video.
Just wanted to check in with y'all. See y'all later.
See ya.
You may be young, but you're right. I know you're still hurt you. You don't believe the stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why.